The longest train in the world. We stood in a northern field and witnessed it rocketing past, barrelled and chimneyed, towing an open-top truck, kicking up dust and chucking out sparks as it cantered the metal road. We gasped and it gasped back. It kept coming. We sat with our legs dangling over a stone bridge as it steamed along, cheeks and chest puffed out, lungs heaving, hauling the golden age and ragging a blue sky with silver clouds. We saluted, it hooted back. It kept on coming. From steep embankments and country platforms, we whistled and flagged, tried to peek inside the upholstered Pullmans and catch the eye of important someones riding on plush cushions. We waved, hoping a gloved hand might wave back. It kept on coming. We clapped like mad when its diesel engines went like the clappers, gawped from city streets and apartments, smiled at hundreds of faces as if the carriages whooshed entire towns of passengers station to station. It kept on coming, tunnelling under mountain ranges, then vaulting ravines and canyons. When sleepwalking coaches shushed through curtained suburbs at night, we wished them sweet dreams. When freight containers trundled and rumbled down branching branch lines, we nodded a knowing wink to the rolling stock, and it winked back. It just kept on coming. We fist bumped and high-fived the sleek machines of the future, some bulleting here to there, some gliding on air. And we waited to clock the last guards van swinging its red lantern, but that didn't happen. Rounding the globe, coupled nose to tail, that train was 2 centuries long and still counting.